Hi guys, welcome to Playtime with Tita, and today we are going to be looking at farm animals. So let's see what we have today. Okay, what do we have? What is this animal? Can you guess what this animal is? That's right, it's a horse. And look at the long tail, look at the horseshoes, look at the horse's mane, look at the hair on the horse. It's silky, isn't it? Look at the ears, the eyes, the nose, the mouth. This is a lovely horse, isn't it? And the horse is brown. And what sound does a horse make? Neigh, neigh. What a lovely horse. So let's put the horse to one side. What else do we have? We have a cow. And what sound does a cow make? Moo. Look at the cow's tail. Look at the cow's feet. She has black spots. She's white and black. And she has little horns. She has ears. She's got her eyes, her nose, and her mouth. Isn't that cool? A cow. Moo. Moo. We have next, we have a pig. A pig that's got brown spots and pink skin. And look at the curly tail, different to the horse's tail and the cow's tail, isn't it? And then look at the little feet. She's got smaller hands and longer feet in the back. She's got her ears. Look at the shape of her ears. Look at the shape of her nose. It's a bit flat in the front, isn't it? Her mouth, her eyes. And what sound does a pig make? Oink, 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 oink. Let's put her over there. And what do we have? We have a sheep. And look at the sheep's tail, it's so small. And the sheep's legs, and the sheep's feet, and the sheep's fur. She's got fur all over her, hasn't she? Fluffy fur, fluffy fur. And look at the ears of the sheep. They're a bit sticky outy on the sides, aren't they? And look at the sheep's nose and mouth and eyes. And what sound does a sheep make? Ba, ba. That's right. And what do we have lastly? We have, what is this? Can you guess what this is? Can you guess it? That's right, it's a chicken. Look at the chicken's wings and feathers and the chicken's little tail. Look at the chicken's feet. Look at the chicken's feet. It's very different to the other farm animals, isn't it? And the chicken has a little chin hair and a little red beak and something on the head hair and little eyes. And the chicken is smaller than all the other animals. Let's put the chicken over here, but let's not forget, what sound does chicken make? Clack, 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 clack. Those are our farm animals for today. So we have a pig, we have a horse, we have a cow, we have a sheep, we have a chicken. And what sound does a pig make? Oink, oink. What sound does a horse make? Neigh, neigh. What sound does a cow make? Moo, moo. What sound does a sheep make? Bear, bear. And what sound does a chicken make? Clack, clack. How amazing is that? Shall we see if we can put some little things on the side for our farm? Let's see what we can do. Make it into a nice little farm. Look, we've got little fences. Little fences there. Oh, this one's a bit bendy, isn't it? I've got to bend it a bit. And then we have one over here. We need these little fences so the foxes don't come in. And also, it means that our animals don't run away. Yeah? So let's put that over there, put that over there. Maybe we need one over there. And we need one over here. And we need one over here. And we move this a bit more close. How cool is that? And maybe we need somewhere where they can drink. Oops, our fence has gone down. But look, we have somewhere here where they can drink water. Yeah, let's fill it with water. They can drink water just like this. Yeah? Wow, that's our farm. How cool is that? Can we name the animals again? We have a pig. We have a horse. We have a cow. We have a sheep. And we have a chicken. Should we do that one more time? We have a pig. We have a horse. We have a cow. We have a sheep. And we have a chicken. Can you think of a song we can sing right now? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. Yeah. So which animal is your favorite? Do you like pigs? Maybe you like horses. A lot of people like horses because horses, you can ride on them. So a lot of people love horses. What about cows? Cows are very cute. What about sheep? Sheep are so fluffy with all their fur. What about little chickens? What's your favorite animal? So let's learn some things about our farm animal friends. So firstly, there is the horse. Now, horses come in many colours and patterns. They're also very friendly animals that like to be around their family and friends. And they have beautiful hair, both in their tail and in their head, which is called a mane. A baby horse is called a foal. And did you know that a horse can sleep standing up without falling over? Then there is a cow. Did you know that a man cow, a daddy cow, is called a bull? Cows can't see colour. A baby cow is called a calf. And a calf can change colour as it grows up. And cows also give us milk. Then there is a pig. A pig comes in different colours and different sizes. A baby pig is called a piglet. Mummy pigs sing to their babies. Pigs love their tummies being rubbed, and pigs love to be with each other. And then there are sheep. A sheep can smell so well. A baby sheep is a lamb. There are so many different types of sheep in different sizes and different colours with different ears, and some have horns. They love being around friends and family. And they have fluffy hair that's called fur, and it will grow and grow and grow and grow until someone cuts it. And then there are chickens. Did you know that there are a lot of different colours of chickens and they come in different sizes? Chickens can see better than you and I. They take a bath by covering themselves in dirt. Baby chickens are called chicks, and they are very, very clever animals. So I do hope you've learnt something new today about our farm animal friends.